Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to change App Store country to Brazil. For example, if you want to change your country in App Store to Brazil so that you can use it in Brazil without any problem. So if you click on App Store and if you look for change country settings, then there are no option available. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of media and purchases. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on that, and here you will find the option of sign out, password setting and view account. So you have to click on view account, and after a few seconds of loading, a new kind of interface will be available here where you can find the option of country or region. So here you have to click on that. As you click on country or region, after a few seconds of loading, change country or region option will be available. So you have to wait for some seconds, and after a few seconds of waiting, you can find change country or region. So here what you have to do, you have to simply look for Brazil in B letter. So here you can find the option of Brazil. So here you have to click on that. As you click on Brazil, you have to again wait for some seconds, and after waiting of some second, new kind of interface will be available here. So here you have to click on agree terms and conditions. As you click on agree terms and conditions, and after that you have to wait for some seconds so that a new kind of interface will be available where you can simply put your address, payment method. So here you can find the option of payment method. You have to click on none, and after that you have to provide here your billing name, billing address, and after that you will find all of the details here. And after putting the details, you have to click on next, and after clicking on next, you have to verify your account, and after verification your country will be changed to Brazil. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.